let's get straight into the best science on this topic. What are the best proven ways to kill prostate cancer cells and shrink prostate cancer tumors using natural substances? We analyze the best evidence, focusing on human clinical trials where possible, but as always with this channel, the latest and strongest good quality scientific evidence, as well as giving you the best advice on exact therapeutic doses you need to take. So first is ginger. Lots of good research on this, but let's focus on one of these trials, using human prostate cancer cells, grafted onto mice. Prostate cancer growth in this particular study was inhibited by a whopping 56%. This is a very impressive result using only a ginger extract. There's plenty of previous research showing how the main constituents of ginger, especially the chemicals gingerol and shogal, are potent suppressors of cancer cell growth and readily kill cancer cells. Analyzing trials and doses, we suggest using 1 heaped teaspoon of organic ginger powder as a good, potent and safe therapeutic daily dose. Easy to add to a bowl of oats or cereal in the morning. Add some grated raw ginger to food for an extra boost. Okay, number 2 is green tea, chosen because of the really strong science and the amount of cancer research conducted on green tea itself and its constituents. The powerful antioxidants, flavonols and catechins have been studied in this regard, showing potent anti-cancer effects, and there are a good number of human trials showing the suppressive effects of green tea on prostate cancer. Let's look at one trial following 60 men over a 2-year period with precancerous prostate neoplasia. This study found that in the green tea group, only 1 out of 30 men went on to develop cancer, compared to the placebo group, where 9 men went on to develop cancer, following expected cancer development rates in this particular group. So over a 2-year period, that's a 90% success rate at suppressing cancer development. Really impressive stuff. From the research, 6 or 7 cups of green tea daily is the best and most used therapeutic dose. Next, research going back over a decade or more, showing the positive effect of tomatoes on prostate cancer development. The research has been ongoing for several years, and the evidence is very strong. Lycopene, the antioxidant in tomatoes, is key to this, and is the chemical that prevents prostate cancer progression. However, most people don't realize that lycopene is not very easily absorbed and needs to be slightly processed. Of course, we will tell you how to easily get the maximum amount of daily lycopene. Microwaving is the best method to use. Lycopene also needs fat to be absorbed in the body, so here's how to get maximum lycopene content in one meal. Tomato paste has the richest lycopene content of all tomato sources. So add a tablespoon of tomato paste to a small cup of water, add a dash of olive oil, mix until you get a soup-like consistency, and microwave for exactly 1 minute. And there you have it. Maximum lycopene bioavailability. Broccoli is next as the king of anti-cancer foods. Loads of good quality evidence on this. A recent study of 1,300 men showed broccoli was the best against aggressive cancer. Eating broccoli was shown to decrease the risk of aggressive cancer by 50%. How much broccoli was needed? The best research advice is 4 florets 3 to 4 times per week. Obviously, more broccoli is better, less processed is better, and raw is best for maximum sulforaphane content. This is the most researched and potent anti-cancer chemical in broccoli. Try blending a few florets in a blender and adding to sauce to make it easy to consume. Finally, we chose a combination of natural cancer cell killers that have shown the best promise in treating prostate cancer, some using human trials. First, cinnamon, as it strongly inhibits cancer cell growth in some studies. The dose required is half a teaspoon a day maximum. But buy Ceylon cinnamon, as it has less contaminants than the cassia type that you normally buy in the shops. Next is a good one. Lemon and citrus peel has strong cancer cell killing effects. The important chemicals are in the skin of the fruit. One study using human prostate cell grafts showed the chemicals in lemon peel reduced tumor weight by 57 to 100% and tumor volume by 78 to 94%. That's amazing results. The best way to consume is to chop a whole lemon and include the skin. Add hot water and honey to a mug or cup and have as a hot drink. If you can stomach eating a small amount of the peel, then great, not to everyone's taste. Lastly, olive oil has shown some really positive effects on the prostate too. Few studies showing its strong anti-inflammatory effects. And a good tip is to replace saturated fats with olive oil. And that brings us to the last point. What food should you avoid that the research suggests promote cancer growth? The main ones are to eat less dairy foods and calcium, red or processed meat, and saturated fat. Again, a good start is to replace all your fats with olive oil. And that's it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, as it really helps the channel. Thank you.